Hello friends, in this tutorial we're going to be playing with SpinKit. So SpinKit is a third-party library that we can import in our Sketchware project. It can also be used on Android Studio and other IDEs. So let's just look at the repo and see the documentation. So the final result should be like this, and we should be able to customize it to suit our needs. So let's go to the repo. So just have a look at the repository to have an overview of what this library is capable. So we've got some previews here of the number of implementations you can achieve in terms of customization. Then our dependencies here, so you can import this in local library by just copying this. And let's go back to our Sketchware project. Once you're in your project, just go to local library. Then here you can use DX or D8. For better compatibility, you go with DX, which covers a wide range of Android devices. Paste the dependency there, and once you hit start, it's going to import the library. Then all you have to do is enable the library and go back to your view. On this view, I've got a simple layout, linear one with gravity set to center. Then I've added another linear. This is I've named this one SpinKit, and this is the one that will be the container for our library. So let's try out a sample view. Go back to Git. Then let's look at usage. If we're going to go with XML, so the view name, here is the view name, com GitHub. So just copy the view name, copy it, then we convert this view. Initially this will be a linear, so you convert it by removing linear layout here. So you remove linear layout and you paste that view name. You just copy it from the repo, then save. Then we also need to inject a number of properties, style and SpinKit color. So this will be the color and that will be the style. So the styles are given on the repo and the color can be customized according to your needs. So let's quickly choose a style. So you've got a number of styles going down there. You just choose what you need. So the one which I was showing you at the beginning of the tutorial is the wave. Let's just try another one. So let's try double bounce. So this is how you work around with styles. So let's have double bounce and see what we get. So let's change the style from wave to double bounce. Double bounce. Run the project. So install. We open it, and there we go. Our double bounce animation is there. Let's try another one. Yeah, let's see which one do I like. Folding cube. Let's try folding cube. So the logic is the same. All you do is choose the one you want and replace the style. So let's try, which one did I choose? Folding cube. Okay. So we go with folding cube, and let's change the color. Let's see how blue does it. Install it. open, and there we go, our blue folding cube is running. So this is an interesting library. You can use it for a number of things, aesthetics or loading views, download progress and other stuff. So I've handled the basics. You can just have a look at the library in the repo and see if you can go beyond what I've just shown or work with what I've done.